Campfire quesadilla tacos. I've been wanting to make this guy for a while, so let's dive in. I'm going to season up some short ribs, adding some chilies and garlic to simmer, then adding them into the food processor with the seasonings to make that awesome consomme. Braising these short ribs for 3.5 to 4 hours until they're fork tender. I'm going to pull them off and start making my taco. Dipping the tortilla in the consomme, I'm going to add that beef, cilantro, onion, and cheese, sear it off, and dive right in. Find this recipe link below. Cheers! Grilled hot chili chicken thighs. Inspired by North African harissa paste, I wanted to make something that was zesty and spicy on these bone-in skin-on chicken thighs. Blending together a hot chili style paste, mixing it all in with the bone-in chicken thighs, marinating that overnight. I'm going to make a 2-zone fire and searing off both sides for about 30 to 45 seconds. We're going to pull them off to the cool side of the grill and smoke them for the rest of the time until they are about 170 internal. I'm going to leave a reserve marinade of the paste, add that on to the end of the chicken just when they're about to be pulled off. Once they're done, we're going to pull them off, let them rest for a couple of minutes, and then I'm going to top them off with a little honey drizzle and some chopped cilantro along with some charred lemons. They were so freaking delicious. Highly recommend. Recipe on overthefirecooking.com or link below. Cheers.